Hello everyone, this is Deadwar, and today I'm going to show you how you can edit the scroll bar for your website easily with just CSS. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. It's really important for my channel. Thank you for your support. Okay, I already created some file with some sections. As you can see, I already have scroll bar here and scroll bar here. Okay, you probably will have only this scroll bar and not the bottom, but I want to show you how it works on both. Okay, you can edit it using pseudo classes from CSS. First is this WebKit scroll bar with 2L. Okay, it changes the whole scroll bar area like this. Okay, you see we can also change height for bottom. So we have 30 pixels here and here. The others I also want to highlight it so you will see exactly the section which I mean. Here I have some sky blue color and let's edit background. Okay, now you can see which area I mean. The second option which you should use is the sump. So it's WebKit, Scrollbar, sump. Okay, let's change background to red so you will see what I mean. Okay, this is the area which is draggable. Okay, like this and like this. So we can add here something like this, for example, URL images .rocket.png. Okay, background size, background position. Okay, like this. Looks good? I think so. Unfortunately, this image works very bad here, but works pretty good here. It's just random image from Google. I didn't prepare it at all for this project, so don't be mad at me. And also, you can't change, I repeat, you can't change the height of this bar. You actually can, but it's a very bad solution and it doesn't work. So it will be automatically. So cool rockets, isn't it? Wee. Okay, cool. So next, which you should understand, is this one. Let's make it background red so you will see. Okay, this is area which is not behind the scroll bar, this sum. Okay, scroll bar sum. So if I will make it not a rocket because it's PNG transparent image, and for example I will make it blue, so you can see that scroll bar is red, visible piece, and not visible piece which is behind sum is blue because it's behind sump and sump is blue. Let's change it back to rocket, and this we can make our sky blue color. Okay, so here we can have some, this is global, so let's show how it works right now. We already changed the scroll bar, so this and this overwriting this. Okay, so we cannot have here any background. Let's move to the next, which is kernel, this small kernel. Okay, WebKit scroll bar kernel, and let's make it background same blue. I will show you in red so you will understand what I mean. So let's change it to our light blue. Okay, and that's it. That's all you should understand with Scrollbar. I will probably hide this bottom area because it's not usable on modern websites at all. And now we can have some pretty interesting sidebar. If you don't like this PNG image, we can change it to something like background blue. Let's make it blue too, but dark blue. Okay, I don't like this blue. Let's find some color in our editor here. Let's use something like this, but darker, like this. Okay, should be much better. Let's check. Okay, looks much better. And we can edit it like usual with CSS, for example, border radius 5 pixels. Let's make it 10 pixels. Okay, still not enough. Let's make it like this. So we created the cool scrollbar. Of course, it looks much better than my Rockets because Rockets was not prepared. But I'm pretty sure you will find some ways to use with your images, with your design. And Scrollbar makes websites much interesting than, for example, here. It looks default, but still good. But this one, why not? Good solution. I would make this like this, and height we can remove. Okay, and also we can remove border radius, for example. Now with border radius it was better, or you can make it bigger like this, which works best. 28 pixels should work best. Okay, so let's assume what we learned today. To edit Scrollbar, we can use the WebKit Scrollbar pseudo class, WebKit Scrollbar sum, WebKit Scrollbar direct piece, and WebKit Scrollbar corner for this small corner. Let's remove this corner and see how it works without it. As you can see, there are no bottom scrollbar and no corner. So let's make it full width. What do you think? Let me know in comments what you think about this video. If you like this style of videos, anyway, let me know in comments. I will be happy to repeat if you don't understand anything. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a good day. Bye.